Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video we are talking about the Microsoft Authenticator app, what it is and how to use it. Let's get started. Microsoft Authenticator is a free mobile app by Microsoft that helps keep your account secure. It's mainly used for two-factor authentication to FA, which means even if someone knows your password, they can't get into your account without a second verification code from your phone. You can use it for your Microsoft account, work or school accounts, and even non-Microsoft services like Facebook, Google, and many more. It supports both one-time passwords and push notifications, making sign-ins fast and secure. Now let's move to how to use it. First, you need to go to the App Store and download your app. So go to the App Store, then search Microsoft Authenticator at top of the page. In the search bar, type Microsoft Authenticator, and after this icon pops up, tap on that. Once you're in, you'll find the install button right here, so tap on install and then open up your app. Once you've opened up, tap on I agree to the terms and allow notification, then tap the add account button and choose the account type, personal Microsoft account, work or school account, or any other account. If adding a Microsoft account, you can sign in directly and approve the login. For other accounts, you'll usually scan a QR code from the service's website or settings page. Once added, you'll see a 6-digit code that refreshes every 30 seconds or receive push notifications for quick approval. When you sign in somewhere that requires two-factor authentication, you'll either get a push notification. Just open Microsoft Authenticator, check the sign-in request and tap approve, or enter the 6-digit code shown in the app before the timer runs out. And that's it. You've added a strong extra layer of protection to your account, and that's how you can use Microsoft Authenticator to keep your account safe. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.